Hey there, how are you? It's Todd Walters. I'm here in my office in Beaufort, Georgia, but that's not what this video is about, me being in my office in Beaufort, Georgia. It's about you in October 18th and 19th in Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, so one of the things that you're going to discover at the Millionaire Broker Owner Office Tour and Workshop is what your role is as the actual owner of the real estate company. So check this out. This is my office. I'm going to step out the door of my office. You can see there's the door to my office, okay? So I'm going to walk in here. I'll just back into it. Check it out. This is a friggin' studio, man. Look at the lights. There's the camera, okay? There's my little workstation over there with 3 monitors. You can see I got stuff piled everywhere. I've got the big television in the back, so you can see that that camera. I sit in front of that television and broadcast programs, coaching, training, and awareness to the marketplace on what in the world we are all about, why we exist, what we do, who we are, that kind of thing. So at October 18th and 19th in Phoenix, Arizona, okay, at the Millionaire Broker Owner System Office Tour and Workshop. That's a mouthful. That's what we're going to be working. You're going to see Jay's office, how he's scaling this thing. You're going to be collaborating with all the other broker owners that are there to do one simple thing together, and that is discover how we can better build the best place to work, the best place to buy, the best place to sell real estate in our respective spaces. You like that? But you got to show up to go up. I can promise you this. Some of what you're seeing here, like what's going on, what's that all about, how's that work, you're going to learn all about that and how you can do the same thing. You're going to see how Jay, just written up in Inman News recently, one of the premier real estate companies in that part of the world, why he's on the radar, making hay. And we're going to spend a day and a half together just in a classroom setting, working on all of the processes to scale a business, to turn it into the best place to work, the best place to buy and sell real estate. So here's what you do now. Go to craigproctorcoaching.com. Go to the schedule in the events tab and you can register right there. Now, if you're not a broker owner member, okay, if you're not a member, but you want to come to this, we want you to come. We want you to come and see what it's all about and how you can do this too, okay? Or get some ideas and strategies. Collaborate with other broker owners. Like, you need to be here if you're a broker owner. This is what you do. If you're a broker and owner of a business, this is for you. We put it together for you, okay? So email or call. Email address, platinum@toddwalters.com. That'll get my office. You can call 678-436-8292. Okay? That'll get you to my office, and we'll get you set up to show up, okay? All right. Hope to see you there. Don't let anything get in the way. That's October 18th and 19th in Phoenix, Arizona. We've got all the details, the agenda, everything. You'll see it on the coaching site. If you can't find it there, dude, call us, and let's make it happen. Email, let's go. All right? Sounds great. See you then. Go serve big. See you.